Versace. 6.
Friend of mine's coming over here, man. Matter of fact, he's right here.
Let me ask you, you guys used to be down the block?
No,
Never.
never. We've been 23 years. From 2000 in this location. And this is my car.
Let me tell you what I have.
We got a new guy in this video right now. Before she poisoned. Looking at this whole you got I don't claim her on taxes, so she can't say, oh, this is a street, you know, and you can park in your driveway, they cannot park it up. You can't tell them, don't park in front of us. So I said to her, please stay in my house. You tell me that about it. I have to find out. So, you know what? This bitch is a lot of money. It's not really good.
Put the brakes on the car. New rotors and pads all the way around. Boom. Brakes actually feel pretty good. I got no complaints so far. So y'all see, they actually look good new. I know they're not gonna stay this way. They actually look pretty dope. But yeah, no problem so far. I gotta go home and see where I ordered them from because I actually forgot. I think it's Top Euro, something like that. So I'll put it in the comment section where I got the brakes from and the rotors. So this came with rotors and pads, front and back. I needed front and back. Well, I didn't really need the back too bad, but the front definitely. So I put in the comment section where I got the brakes and the rotors from, so you guys can see all of that. All in all, I paid about $900 for the brakes and the rotors. So that's front and rear all the way around. And these rotors are pretty big too. So when I took them off the car to change them, and I grabbed these out of the box to see, like, these are really big. So and 900 pads and rotors all the way around. No issues so far. No complaints. Car is quiet. Stops on a dime. So that's where we're at. Tomorrow, you guys will be getting the R129 video. I'm actually in the Burger King parking lot right now, but you guys will get the R129 video. wheels on, top down. So I'll be doing that one, shooting that one tomorrow. So you guys can see that. So yeah, on the Granturismo, we got oil change done at the dealer. We got the brakes and the rotors done. Oil change, oil filter as well. Brakes and rotors. And what else did we do to this car? We got a new windshield put in because we cracked the whole one on the highway. And yeah, so this car has had a few things done to it in the last month. Yeah, definitely has. So next thing up I want to do, there's actually two more things, and they're kind of small. So I want to put a new battery in the car, and I want to change the spark plugs, and that's pretty much it. After that, the car is pretty much done with its the service that it had needed for a while. So it's pretty much done there. So yeah, after this is done, plan is to start on the E350. So I got to get that on the tow truck, bring it up here, bring it out here, bring it to the shop, and have them go through the car to see what's wrong with it. But so guys, that's what's on the menu. I got the 350 coming next. I got another car coming after the 350. This car looks good with these brakes on it. It just does. I mean, just rotors, sorry. So yeah, we got a few things on the pipeline. Soon we're gonna be running out of cars to do, so gonna have to start looking for something else. I think I want to go into an old school. I'm not sure. I do want another GC car. I did sit in a C6 Corvette, and I saw really quick that the Corvette is not for me. It is too small in that car for me. So let me get in the car. I did see that the C6 Corvette is too small for me. I'm way too tight in that car. I was extremely uncomfortable. If I hit something in that car, I'm gonna break something, and I'm not talking about on the car. I'm gonna break something on me. My legs, my knees, something. The car was just too tight, for me. I didn't like how you sat. Even in this, you sit behind the engine, but you could see it slopes more in the front, so you can see the ground. Closer to you than you can in the Vet. The Vet you're just sitting like this, so it's just like the hood is just straight. It's parallel to your eyesight. So I'm not really feeling the Vets, guys. So that's really like two down. The Jag, the F-Type. You guys know if you've been watching the channel since the very beginning, I'm a fan of the F-Type. That's out the window because I can't fit in that. Corvette, a C6, that's out the window. If any of them are shaped like that, and they all pretty much shaped the same, so that's why Corvette's probably gonna be out the picture, unless we get an old one, which is what I'm really thinking about. It's probably gonna be the move vet wise. These new ones are just they're too small for me, guys, so I'm sorry. I like the C8. I think it's a good looking car, but that car is way too small for me. This is. I'm not comfortable in cars with the roof lines like this. They're sitting like this, and there's not too much leg room. I just can't do it. I would probably rather, if the car was that compact, I didn't have that much headroom, then I'd probably rather the engine be in the back of it, so you're not sitting, so your eyesight's not so parallel to the front end of the car. I'm not really a fan of that. It's sort of like in a big Cadillac or a big S-Class Mercedes, how you see hood, you know what I mean, and you don't see ground. And even in the S-Class, at least in the Cadillacs, they got a hood on it, so you can kind of judge where the car is in the middle of the car and all that. So I'm not really a fan of the Corvette. I love the way they look, but they're not for me to sit in. So So yeah, it's pretty much gonna be the end of this video, guys.